Hello guys and welcome to a brand new Let's Talk show here in the Road Beast Place. Today's presentation we are going to go back a little bit in time. We're talking about 2014 and 2015. This video is meant to be going or bringing back old memories, so sit down to watch and bring some popcorns because there will be a lot to say and to cover. Anyways, enjoy. So on Wednesday, I've published the review of the Hot Wheels Fan Man. This guy. Anyway, so if you haven't watched it yet, link on the description as well as on the comment section. And let's get into the video. So 2014 was the best year when it comes to Hot Wheels, of course, because there was a lot of cars that were coming back. I mean, Spinebuster, Crazy 8, also High Voltage. I don't know if High Voltage was released before, but we're seeing this guy released a lot these days. Super Gnat as well. I mean, I'm seeing through like my computer, so I'm not cheating, but I still remember. Also, I think High Tech Missile was released in 2014. I don't know if it was like copyrighted or 2013. But anyways, I want to talk a little bit about different types of DIMs that 2014 had, and we're gonna take a little bit a look of like each segment. I mean, each track sets and everything. So let's get into it.
Starting off with the HW Track Builder Workshop. Now, this DIM is the best, and it's so different from the other DIMs. Why? Because simply it consists of building tracks, and buying different loops and tracks and whatever, and it consists more of creating. So here once again, for example, I remembered like this guy, this what's it called? I think the track builder. Oh, 5-lane tower or something. Oh wait, let me check. Tower starter set. Yeah, so this is the starter set. Like, if you want to collect or start to collect the HW workshop, you could have started with this, and I still remember it was on my local store, for about, let's see, $40 or something, 500 dirhams. I don't know how much in like dollars, but I mean it makes his job. But at the same time, it was like you can release 5 cars at the same time. And again, I don't know. I would like to see the back of this box, but let me check. No, I actually can't see anything. But there were also these type of track sets as well. I have this one. This guy is Super Tsunami, and it was just only released in Toys R Us. Now, Toys R Us is not available in Morocco, but at that time I went to France to get one. And oh my god, what the heck? Oh, I have never seen this one in my entire life. This is like what is this? Oh, it has some sort of parachute or something. Wow, that's so good. I've never seen this one. But yeah, you have plenty of cars. Let's see. This is the 2014, I believe, track builder. You got Impavido. You got a lot of cars. Beautiful cars. Let's see. I mean, this brings me back to old memories. Ah, a lot of Super Treasure Hunts as well. Oh, by the way, it was the 2014 was the, what's it called? The last year of the license of the Ferrari. Yep, too bad no Ferraris anymore. But I don't know why they stopped releasing them. I remember this one as well. Yeah, I don't want to say a lot because there were a lot of tracks. And these, by the way, let me go to 2015, because I remember they were releasing like the Spiral set, this one. I got the version where I got 3 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I have the one that got 3. Oh, and by the way, this one as well was released. I mean, I got it in 2018. It was just a real release. It wasn't HW Workshop. Let's see. Oh my god, this was released. Oh no, this is 2016. Okay, no. Sorry. Total Turbo Takeover. Oh, this is a jumbo pack. Wow. Well, I mean, it doesn't end, I remember like this one as well, but I've never seen it on my local source. I just watched, YouTube videos, people unboxing it. Yeah, this is where it gets a little bit different. HW Race. Now, HW Race consists of just track sets, that you could match, but they're just like really limited, because a track set it's a track set, not like, for example, you can't change it because it's designed the way it is and it will stay the way it is, not as like the HW Workshop. You can make your own track. Anyways, you got a lot of cars, obviously Impavido, Mercury, Cougar as well. Oh, Slingshot. That guy hadn't been released since like these days. I don't know. Stock car. Oh, we got a lot of versions of stock car these days. Let's see. This one is still available. You can still buy it in Amazon. Oh no, not this one, sorry. I was talking about, wait, this one actually was released before, I believe in 2012, 13, like that. So these are the type of tracks that you see. This one with the motorcycle, well, the good thing is that at least it could be compatible with the cars, because otherwise, it's not gonna be good. Oh, do you remember that car? HW Popa Willy. Where the heck is that car now? This one, we just saw it. Oh, the War Tracks. Oh wait, by the way, I have this one. I really need to make a review about it, but obviously I won't be able to stick it because it's not an interesting set. I'm just curious about this part, where the car who loses the throne. Let's see. Oh, come on. It's gonna bring us back to all the memories. So, I mean, HW Race was like really limited. And oh, this guy as well. I really remember this one. So this is a wall track, and makes the loop, come around again, then go back for another spin. But it's not really interesting. And let's see. Oh, see you later as well. So it was exclusive to the set. But you got a lot of awesome cars: Nightburner, Hypertruck, Off Truck, Let's Go as well. Yeah, Formulator, Two Timer as well. They were really great like cars that were released then. Yeah, let's see. W Off-Road, right? Yeah, it's W Off-Road. So this dem has not a lot of things to talk about, because obviously it's more about Monster Jam, and at that time they had the license with Monster Jam. But the cars, I don't think that there is like a lot of interesting cars at that time. I mean, Rip Rod, Silverado. I like this car. Let's see. Sorry. No. This. Oh, by the way, this is him, like the car I talked to you about, Riz Grooves, and Extreme Shocks as well. They were released, but I don't know why they stopped doing that. Wasn't that much interesting, but was making his job. I mean, come on. The good thing about it is that they had like real suspension, and yeah, like even on Google you don't have a lot of track sets, because again it's just for like monster jams, you know. HW City. Okay, so it's track sets. HW City as well was I don't know how to explain that, but it was the type of them that was really dedicated to kids, you know, more than like creators, people who like to create like stunts and everything. And also this one, I made a review about it. It was the one that I got is re-released, but it was originally released in 2014 on the HW City. Obviously, I'm going to link that as well. And let's see. Oh, I still remember these as well. Well, I don't know. Challenge. I forgot about the name, but it was Tails, something with Tails, or I don't know. This one as well, HW City. So it was more dedicated to like younger people or kids, if you're willing to say. Didn't have any like. Oh, actually, it did. Wait, hold on. Come on, Google. What happened? Oh, that 5-pack, I have it. Oh, that was so awesome. Okay. I mean, I was just checking. Sorry about that. It's not that it's limited, but I don't know what to say. Obviously, this, for example, could be released just in HW Workshop while creating another theme for it. So yeah. And obviously these days there are a lot of real releasing of the old track sets. Oh, this one I was talking about. So later, oops, so I confused this track set. Where are you? Oh, come on. Oh, there you go. I confused this track set with this track set. This track set you can still buy it, but it's so awesome. I don't know. I'm not looking forward to buy one, but yeah, this is it. About 2015, I personally still remember till this day that it was the least interesting year, where like there was no tracks or anything. It's just that I don't know. You got these type of track sets. Also, I think 2016 is where this track builder type of track builder was born, and it was really interesting because 2015 I obviously don't have a lot to say except for the Fan Man. Obviously you can see on the HW Workshop. No, this was released in 2014, I believe. This was released in 2015. Yeah, I think. Yeah, 2015. And this one is the one that I have. This one as well. So you see, there was not like a lot of interesting track sets. Like for example, these were released in 2014, but we couldn't see them in 2015. So that's a problem. I've never seen this one before. Let me see. Oh, it's a combo set, okay. So they're like trick tracks, but instead of, you know, playing with like, or using 5 to 6 cards, you just use one card and do like everything. Really interesting. And I might need to do a comparison as well with the trick tracks and these type of track sets. Oh my god. Wait, is that turbine time? Oh yeah, it's turbine time. Oh. I missed this truck, okay. I've never seen him again. I don't think there is turbine time. Hold on. Oh my god, why? Okay. I pressed the wrong button, but interesting. HW City. Guess it was released in 2000. Oh, it was released in 2015, or sorry, 18, because I got the. I have this one. Interesting.
So this is I don't know if it's a quick video or not, depending on the editing. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this small tour. You know, it's good to bring back old memories, and if you haven't, make sure to watch the review. Bro, I love this guy. I can literally just sit down and watch him doing that and I won't be bored. Anyways, so if you haven't watched any of the previous reviews, you know, I'm going to link again all the the reviews or the videos I talked about on description, as well as on the comment section. And also, if you like this type of content and you want me to do it like from time to time, I mean, it's good, obviously. And one day we're gonna be talking about trick tracks. Obviously, in the year in which I got addicted to Hot Wheels was the year where like trick track was about to expire. Yeah, I mean, I got addicted to Hot Wheels. I mean, I've made it since 2010, so I'm 12-year-old collector. But overall, it would be good to bring back these old days, as well as the wall tracks. Man, the wall tracks are my favorites, okay? And yeah, make sure to be part of the Road Beast Place by subscribing to the channel. Leave a big thumbs up so that we know you enjoyed the content. Take care and see you.